For almost 20 years, I've been taking probiotics like a madman. Just about every species you can imagine, I've taken it, and you always swallow these things. But what we've learned is that what you eat affects the bacteria in your gut dramatically, not just what bacteria you take. And we've also learned that the bacteria in the environment around you play a huge role in what happens inside of you. My path has led me to create something called Homebiotic. And Homebiotic is a bunch of different natural bacteria, some found in your gut, many others found only in healthy soil. And to create a spray you can put around your house, because we evolved to be in an environment with the right bacteria, because the bacteria around us send a signal to the bacteria in our body. And there is great evidence that having a sterile environment around you isn't ideal. So I wanted my kids to be able to play in a house that had healthy bacteria present the way they are in nature, and also in a house that didn't have problems with toxic mold. Toxic mold is a serious problem. You've probably seen my documentary called Moldy, where I spent more than a year filming some of the top experts in the country talking about how this is way worse than asbestos and lead, paint, and all these other things like that, but most people don't know about it because mold grows in places you can't see it in your house, you get just a little bit, and you think it's not gonna harm you. So I created Homebiotic because when there are healthy bacteria present in an environment, it's a non-sterile environment, and that is a way for you to help your home have a healthy balance between fungus and bacteria. You don't wanna let the toxic mold get out of control because it doesn't have competitors present. So what I did when I built the studio, when we remediated the toxic mold that was in the house that I bought, is I basically sprayed everything with Homebiotic. And every 3 months, because I'm the inventor of this stuff, the creator of this stuff, or at least a founder of the company, I partnered with the inventor to start Homebiotic. I spray this stuff regularly. I even spray it in my garden. And I do this because I believe that the bacteria outside of our bodies, in our environment, are as important as the ones that I take in probiotics and the ones that I form in my gut when I take the right foods. So I would recommend that you consider every 6 months or so, get a bottle of Homebiotic. This is enough to cover 1,000 square feet of your house. You put it in a bottle, you dilute it, and you mist it. Spray it in your bathroom, spray it on your windowsills, spray it anywhere you're likely to get mold or mildew, and it gets rid of the funky mold smell very effectively. And it's much better than some of the other things you might be doing. A lot of people will try and bleach mold somewhere in their house. Chlorine itself is toxic for you, and it ruins a lot of the surfaces like drywall, and it also puts water into the drywall. So bleach doesn't work for fixing mold, but having a natural competitor present is a really good idea. If you look at other things you can do at home, you can make micronized salt paint, which doesn't work as soon as it gets wet or as soon as it's not on a surface. So that isn't a very good option for preventing growth as well, or you can use really toxic chemicals. So given all those choices, I really like the idea of a preventative strategy where I just spray Homebiotic around the house, anywhere there might be water, anywhere that there's ever been a problem with a little bit of mold or mildew, in order to nip problems before they happen. So check out Homebiotic. It's something that I think is really important because mold is like kryptonite in your environment. It might make some people, the person next to you, sick. It might make them just moody and tired and cranky and bloated. It might give another person bad skin or food cravings or cause autoimmunity. Mold can do all of these things, and there's no excuse for you to have it in your environment. The experts in Moldy, the documentary, say that at least half of homes and structures they visit have water damage. They have mold growing in them. This is one of the biggest public health threats that I'm aware of and something that insurance companies are afraid of. So for my own peace of mind and for my own family safety, I do spray Homebiotic around my house, around the offices on a regular basis, because at a minimum, I know I'm getting healthy bacteria in my environment that are going to help me, and I think it can do a lot more for keeping a natural, healthy balance. So check out Homebiotic today. It's totally worth your time. You only have to do it every 6 months. It's a tiny amount of work for potentially great benefits.